Hi, I'm Rhiannon and today I'm going to show you how to cook up some kangaroo on the Auspit. Kangaroo is one of those proteins that quite often gets overlooked at an Aussie barbecue. But today I'm going to show you how cooking some kangaroo steak is just as simple as cooking a normal steak on a barbecue, just as long as you don't overcook it. Today we're seasoning our kangaroo with a great Australian lamb rub called Lamb Layup by Low and Slow Basics, which is not only great in all things lamb, but also all game meat, including kangaroo. When you buy a kangaroo, you'll find that it's already been pre-cut into steaks. So it's dead simple, all you need to do is apply the rub on both sides. As I said, the last thing you want to do is overcook your kangaroo. So make sure you've got one of these instant read thermometers handy and get it off the grill at 52 degrees. Now, to demonstrate the versatility of an Auspit grill, today we are cooking burgers, prawns, and I'm just about to put the kangaroo on. Now, I cannot stress enough how quickly this is going to cook and how much you don't want to overcook it. So keep the tongs in your hand, keep the instant read thermometer in your pocket, and watch it like a hawk. We're aiming for an internal temperature of 52 degrees, 55 at an absolute maximum. Now our kangaroo's probing at a perfect 52 degrees, it's time to get it off. And here you have it, some kangaroo steaks grilled on the Australian Auspit, seasoned with Low and Slow Basics Lamb Layup rub.